Malaysia. And today, because of the commercial kitchen assignment, I have to make a video about cooking a Western style main course. And the menu I decided is lemon chicken with honey and rosemary. So please do enjoy my video.
So these are all of the ingredients we will use for this menu. So since the menu we are doing is the lemon chicken with honey and rosemary, then the main ingredients should be the chicken. You can choose any part you want. Then I have choose these 2 chicken ticks. And another ingredients is potatoes, garlic. For the seasoning part, we have the salt and the black pepper, and also honey for sauce, the rosemary, some salted butter, and oh yeah, a very important ingredients to make the sauce is the lemon. I prepare for 2. For the salad part, we have the lettuce, cherry tomatoes, and the red pepper. And for the lemon, first I cut it into 2 to squeeze the lemon juice. The total I have squeezed is 1.5 lemon, and then the remaining lemon I will cut it into 4 for the roasting later. For the potatoes, you need to peel off the skin and then rough cut. And then before we continue to the next step, you have to preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius. And don't forget to crush the garlic. So right now we have to start to cook the sauce. First, we have to add in the lemon juice, and then the salted butter with the crushed garlic just now. Add in honey, and the rosemary. And right now we have to cook until the butter is fully melted. When the butter is fully melted, you have to turn to low-medium heat. After 2 minutes, you can turn off the heat and then set it aside. Next, we can put the chicken on the tray. And then put the potatoes around the chicken. The lemon sauce that we cooked just now, you can pour it on the chicken and the potatoes. After few minutes, we add in the lemon slices. Then pour the remaining lemon sauce on the chicken and the potatoes again. After that, we season the chicken and the potatoes by using salt, and the black pepper. And don't forget the bag too. And now we have to put the chicken into the oven. And then set the time to 1 hour and 15 minutes. In 160 degrees Celsius. While waiting for the chicken, we can prepare the salad by cutting the tomato first. Then, rough cut the red pepper. And cut the lettuce into half. After 30 minutes, you can turn another side of the chicken to continue roasting. While waiting for the chicken, we can set up the salad on the plate first. And I prefer to put some fresh honey with it. After 1 hour and 15 minutes, you can take out the chicken from the oven. So now we can set the potatoes and the chicken on the plate. And finally, the lemon chicken with honey and rosemary is done.